Welcome back. Every now and again, I'll get a design, an idea in my head that sounds really cool. I don't usually take the time to tinker and experiment, but I thought this was a great chance to do just that. The design here is a funky looking coffee table with an S-shaped top and a continuous looped horseshoe base. That is a made up term, but it does sound kind of interesting. The Maloof coffee table I built a while back is too small for the space, so we've been looking to replace it with a bigger table. My wife would prefer a more practical table with some storage, whereas this design lacks a lot of that functionality. My idea here is to create a little prototype for us to look at, a way to visualize it in person. It'll also give me the opportunity to see if the design is feasible and how to approach building it. So that's what this video is, a scaled down model of a weird table design I came up with. I used my CNC to cut out some of the parts and my table saw to cut the joinery. There's not much else to it, so I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright, that about wraps this one up. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, this was just a simple prototype, an experiment. It was really an exercise in just kind of getting a physical model of this design out there. And it was kind of low pressure because you don't have to worry about being too neat and tidy with your joints. You really just want to get a physical thing out there to look at, and that's exactly what I did. So there's a ton of gaps and it's pretty rough around the edges, but you kind of get the idea of what it looks like. I got an idea of what approaches I would take if I built this in a full-size model, one of which might be to make these parts in one sub-assembly as opposed to gluing up 5 different parts at once. It'd be easier to just glue up a U-shape and then route it with a template, and that goes for the long sides as well. But let me know what you guys think and how you think I should approach this if I do build it in a full-size model. Not sure yet, still have to discuss it with my wife because she wants something a little bit more practical with storage, which I kind of agree with as well. But yeah, let me know what you think. I have 2 other things to let you guys know about. I will be selling this new t-shirt in my store on my website. There'll be a link in the description below. It's a cool tree trunk cross section. It's locally screen printed here in South Florida, and it's also got the cool parillaworks logo on the sleeve. And the other thing is a squiggle wine rack template. So I'll be cutting these out of 1/4 inch Baltic birch plywood with my CNC router and selling them to you guys if you're interested. So this is the original size that I made. It's 24 inches long. It has 4 dips in it for wine bottles, and you can stack them up. But it's got a puzzle piece joint to save on shipping. What that allows us to do is include a middle piece, which will make this a longer squiggle rack. So yeah, if you're interested in something like that, this should be in my store in the next week or so. Thanks for watching.